Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Trends. So today I would like to invite a special guest on our show today, who is a leader from the insurance background, and we would love to hear his point of view in terms of how AI is transforming the world of insurance. Hi Ambuj, good afternoon. Welcome to Tech Trends.
Hi Vishnu, thanks for having me here.
So, Ambuj, first thing I would love to know about you. What is your role in your current organization, and what are the key things that you do in your day in day out at your job to create better impact, bigger impact across your industry?
In my organization, I work as part of global technology.
Yeah.
I head the product development for reinsurance market. Okay, it is mostly to do with pricing the business, exposure modeling, MI data, and then how the whole underwriting process is connected with the claims, the finance, the actuarial, and at the same time how we can collaborate these teams more effectively to get a single source of truth. That is what my role
Okay.
is.
Thank you for letting me know. First of all, as you know that everyone is talking about AI today, and to an extent we can see that AI getting real, and it's slowly becoming a part of our daily life as well. So I would like to know from you, how are you using in AI a flavor of AI to do a better job or to enhance your productivity in your daily life?
That's a great question, and I would definitely say that the use of AI, specifically in terms of office tools, whether it is Outlook or Teams or preparing PPTs, it has become more and more, and people are using it increasingly to improve the productivity. I will
Okay.
tell you that in the past, like doing the meeting and then preparing the minutes of the meeting after the call, okay, it used to take time. But now
Yeah.
you can transcribe the whole meeting and it is done within seconds after the call. And
Yeah.
nothing to write, you just send the transcribe of the meeting and everything is there.
Yeah.
Similarly, the Outlook and also the PPTs, okay, can be prepared very effectively with the help of AI.
So at the same time, I see a lot of agentic AI use cases are being thought of in terms of how do we reimagine the way we do background processes or document processing. So I want to understand from you that how are you rethinking from the insurance background point of view, where can we infuse AI in handling some documentation processing?
That's great, Vishnu. With the help of AI,
Yeah.
I think everybody is looking to improve the operational efficiency.
Yeah.
Uh, when I say operational efficiency, it doesn't mean reduction in staff, but
Yeah.
what we mean is how can we use the technology more effectively to achieve better result. Okay,
Yeah.
and then whatever extra capacity that we have, how can we reskill them to do something more important rather than day in day out mundane tasks. I'll
I
give you a
see.
few of the use cases. Okay, here, like one of the important use case is intelligent document processing, where AI can be of great help. Now,
Yeah.
reinsurance is very large in transaction volume.
Yeah.
Okay, each contract can be a $1 billion contract,
I see.
and the contract document for each of these contracts is more than 100 pages long, and we receive
Right.
this from more than 200 cedents. Okay, so to process, read, and find the delta year on year from these documents is tedious and time consuming. Now,
I
AI
see.
can play a great role in doing this more effectively. Very similar use case is in area of claims.
I
Okay,
see.
how can AI read the terms and conditions of the claim more effectively so that the settlement can be as accurate as possible? Because the rating
Right.
of the company depends on the how accurate the claims are settled,
Yeah.
right? The third very important use case which the industry is looking at is how can we mine structured data from unstructured sources using AI.
Right.
Okay, and importantly, in the world of GT, global technology, what we are looking at, how can we improve the efficiency of a developer when they're writing the code? How can we
Right.
improve the efficiency of the whole QA testing team, okay, in preparing the test cases? AI can be of great help, and that is what we are looking at.
thinking that AI can help me reduce time to process my documents. Do you think that we can be completely dependent on AI, or we would like to keep human in the loop so that we reduce the error and do things in a better way?
That's $1 million question, Vishnu.
Yeah,
What is important is to understand that AI is here to help. It is a teammate. So
yeah,
we should be working in cohesion, not as an antagonist to each other.
okay,
That is one thing. More importantly, the agentic AI in a field, okay, where the agents can be built, okay, and they can do some of the mundane tasks, okay.
right,
But what we have to keep in mind that the output these AI tools or the agentic AI is producing, humans
yeah,
have to be always in the loop. Okay,
right,
so that is a great help. And
yeah,
also, okay, in terms of global technology, right, end to end, the agentic AI has the capability to work autonomously,
yeah,
right? Where they can analyze the problems in production, they can suggest the fix, they can do the fix itself, reading the log files, okay, what is
yeah,
needed, and then do the deployment also if a workflow is built in the right way.
yeah,
So I would say that AI and especially agentic AI can be a great help to the
yeah,
industry as a global, okay, and people who have implemented the AI tools, okay, are basically the front runners in terms of the returns. Okay, they are basically able to become more 4 to 5 times more efficient than the people who have not implemented. So I think the mindset should be AI first, okay,
yeah.
for all the industries.
Yeah, yeah. Rightly pointed out, Ambuj. So as we meet leaders across industry, um, every leader is thinking about how can we be a AI frontier organization today. So thank you for sharing that perspective. And you also mentioned about how do we handle the governance, the security of data in the right manner. Thank you for your time, Ambuj. It was a lovely conversation with you, and it helped me to understand how AI is reshaping the world of the insurance industry. Yeah, that helps a lot.
Thank you very much, Vishnu, for having me here, and thanks for the insights that we have shared here.
Yeah. You've heard from Ambuj how AI is reshaping the way a person works in his daily life by using AI in some or the other way. And how are we rethinking the way the background processes work with the use of agentic AI for that matter? And how do we infuse that in the world of insurance? Right. With that, see you next week in another episode of Tech Trends. Bye bye.